Spider Sugar, what is up?
Yo, what's up? Good morning. Guess what today is? Today we're going on a FPV road trip. Hell yeah. And we're going to drive up the coast in chaos form, and eventually we're gonna end up at the Philly meet. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be awesome. Hell yeah. Cats. They have arrived. We're all here, we're ready, and we're packed up, and we're ready to go. Not even 15 minutes, and it's broke.
The screw broke, I think.
Waffle House sign remains undefeated. You're right. You're supposed to spend at least 3 weeks testing, tuning, bench testing, bench tuning, simulator testing, simulator tuning, before you even think about flying. I don't do that at all. I purchase things that are in stock.
I put a preset on it.
I put a preset on it. I purchase the things that are in stock because they're similar enough to the things that are out of stock that I want. I put it all together, and because Jesus is our savior, the quad works. And Betaflight and, you know, technology and computer stuff. But I don't give a fuck about any of that shit. You heard it here first. Let's go drink some low Kai KV beer. Usually it's like it takes about 20 to 30 minutes before anything that Grim is hanging out around becomes this.
Just like this.
Just like a giant mess. But we love him for it. It's fine. It's hilarious.
I had a camera battery attached to my camera, but the charger is not there. That's why everything's torn apart right now.
Soon we'll tear the engine out of the car, and this process will be complete. We made it to the beach. Just kidding. Everything is sand. This is the part where we take apart the car now. The check engine light is on, so I came out to check. Yep, still there. I think your distributor configurator is discombobulated, and John found it.
Let's see, where is... God doesn't love us today.
It's time for everyone's favorite segment. Go to the gas station.
Snacks for the road.
Yeah. Road snack. Always get it. Snacks acquired. Hell yeah. Grim's been driving us around these back roads for a while now, and I'm pretty positive he's just looking for a good place to deposit the bodies. Time to observe some long range, and it's gone. Quads in the car. The proper procedure to remove a press nut from a carbon fiber quadcopter frame goes as follows. Get your pliers. Remove the screw from the press nut.
There's a huddle house, bitch.
There's a huddle house. And then you go down here like this. You grab it. There's a screw on there, and you just twist it. You pull it up.
It's Thursday.
That easy.
Oh, okay. 3-day weekend.
That easy. You don't have to cut them out or do anything. You just go whoop, 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 and it comes right out. Boom. I have a great idea name for your furniture store. You should call it Badcock and More. I don't think they're in business anymore. Don't smoke cigarettes. I found my section.
This place hasn't changed enough.
Strawberry mimosa. Yeah, do it for the gram. It really was a country store. Well, hello. We're at the hotel now and it's looking cool. Don't smoke cigarettes. That's a big ass hornet. Now we're out here at the illegal night drone drag league here, a little bit outside Richmond. No one showed up so far yet. I think we might be the only people, but yeah, it gets pretty crazy around here. We play for pinks.
Just want props out. Yeah, no angle, bitch.
Good morning, y'all. It is the morning time. Day 2. Ooh, train. I can't see it through the window. So I'm making some coffee. And then we're gonna go to this hotel motel Bando Wawa number 1. What a amazing experience. We got it all.
Yeah, fuck it.
Oh, you know, just a casual Bando Motel. It's fine. It's kind of crazy. This place looks like it is just kind of been open. But it's clearly not. It's like almost like zombie apocalypse or something. Everything is just left. Well, it finally happened after, damn, what is 2023? 23, 18, 20, 19, 20, 21, 22. After 5 years of this Hero 7, the best GoPro that was ever made ever, I think I finally killed it. And you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, it looks a little mushed, huh? Yeah, it got a little mushed. Now the more that I look at it, you can see right there. I bet if I mushed it back, it'd probably work though. I'm gonna try. I am in luck, and Spot is nice enough to have a Hero 7, but it is 5 hours that way, not here. Time for some repair. Here we go. Take a penny, leave a penny. Take a penny, leave a penny. My butt is sweaty. Goodbye, random roadside bando. I'm still kind of blown away that there was just a random bando on the side of the road. That is like never happens. Philip Morris, USA. Oh. How'd the soldering go?
Oh, you got a camera in my face.
The 1 hour build your drone in the back of a car challenge is a little more challenging than expected.
Sort of a hobby budget that I give myself, so like I don't want to, you know, crap on anybody that has a lower budget. But
How badly did you fuck it up?
I don't think it's that. I think it's dead. I think that that I ruined the pads.
Man asses and dumb fries. can't believe it. Blew my mind. Anyway. Philadelphia. Successful car drone build. And if you notice, hey, look at that. That looks familiar. That's right, because that's my first time we bought frame. Welcome to Philly, baby. Oh yeah, we made it. Holy crap. Look at this. Ooh. Fancy. Very fancy. So, yup. We made it to Philadelphia. Fuck yeah. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say. We're gonna probably hang out later, do some other things. You'll be along with me, I guess. And if not, I'll see you in the morning on the way to the Saturday spot. Yeah. Morning. First day of the meet. Hell yeah, I just got up. I gotta find some coffee and, yeah, I'm gonna go meet Grim. Grim's gonna come pick me up and we're gonna go get some things and do some stuffs. And today is gonna be so sick. Fuck yes. Oh hell yeah. Hell yeah. We want that milk, yo. Thanks. Oh man. I should know, I'm a little hungover today too. I drank like 10 IPAs at the bar last night because I was so excited to be here and it was raining and there was a freight train in my brain. What's up, Harper?
Oh no.
Alright, we made it to the Saturday spot. Harbor Freight. It'll be, you won't, this is like a future past item of information. Ugh. Fucking turnstile and shit. There's so many tools. Every time I come in one of these things, I'm like, oh, I want that. Oh, I want that.
This store's weird.
Oh, that's cool. Ooh, I could use that.
This store's got a lot of random shit. Where is...
This is just a brick and mortar Amazon, baby. Yo.
Or at least one of these little ones.
Got the new, or we got the tiny whoop, and only Ethan. You know, at least they call it a quadcopter.
It used to be in the band that used to be
We have arrived at the zone. We're here. We made it. Look at this sick fucking Buick. People doing stuff. This guy. What's up? Hey, it's going. What's up? I'm not hungover, you're hungover. I'm not hungover, you're hungover.
Shut up. You eat this. Oh. Is that the 10 I sent you in the mail?
Yeah.
Yeah. Full circle. Wow.
How's everyone doing?
Fucking mail. I got your ESC. Do you want it back?
I bought that for Christmas for you. It's everybody's friend.
Here it is, sugar spider, sugar. What is up?
Bot gave me this GoPro and it doesn't work. And my other GoPro is not work. So I guess it's DJI 03. Fuck. It's really weird. It's just a thing they do out here, I guess, but they freeze butter. They put it on a stick and then put like sugar on it. That's pretty good.
Spider shirt.
Very fatty. You're not supposed to eat while you blog. Nom, nom. Okay, so here we go. Put the props on. Put the props on to fly the drones.
Welcome to like.
Drink water is very hot.
It's not icy.
It's probably nice and air conditioned where you are, but where I'm at, I feel like I'm in a bucket of water that's boiling.
Like this fucking one right here. Yeah, this fucking guy.
I'm looking at everyone from the ground. Well, I got impaled on the wires. World famous behind the scenes. You're not, this is for pro expert masterclass level pilots only, and you get to see it. My dumb ass getting shit stuck. All right, here we go. Look where it's at. Right there. Can you believe it? Shit.
Oh! Yeah! And didn't even have to hit the ground with it. Look at that. Yeah!
Yes, victory! Look at those. Yeah. All right. Not everything is a loss today. Well, those don't work.
Oh, yeah.
Well, at school is super fun. Now it's raining, but it's been over for a while. All right, on the way to the whoop party, whoop party race at the bars. This will be fun.
I've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I've got a red pair of high heels on. Tell me over. It doesn't take much. Tell me over. Tell me push.
This is pretty sick, yo. You wouldn't even know this place exists, though, unless you knew it exists. There's a fucking fan here, like some Mario Kart obstacle. How does your victory feel? He said he's going to the strip club. What the fuck is happening in here? Wind does not affect drones at all.
Yeah, wind doesn't affect the drone no matter how big or small it is.
You heard it here first. There's definitely something on fire outside somewhere. You can smell it, or someone's just having a really big campfire and it's really fun. They're like roasting hot dogs or something, but probably not. It's probably just something really bad. It's on fire somewhere over that direction. And am I having a stroke?
It tastes like almonds.
Oh.
Anyone?
So, what happened to your drone?
I power flipped into the middle of a subway.
Yo, so there is
Yeah, I got all the
not a drone up there. Nope, definitely not. And I was definitely not watching. And I was trying to help homie over here, 808, with his drone, and I was like, I don't know, man, I don't see it. And then suddenly I see headlights, and I'm like, oh, cool, it's like a car or something. No, it's the fucking train went right over my head. Holy sh! That was so cool. That was like a movie. It was like a movie. No cap.
Little nod to the spirits. We're still here running around screaming. They're still here pointing and laughing. And walk away when I thought, telling you, turn around, mister. I got a permanent block. Who the hell do I think I am not?
Well, it's time to go. That was really fun. Tomorrow is another spot.
Boy, got a barrel through the fight, you can tell. Got hope for the living. Got friends for the dead. In the sky, got whiskey and wine for the voices in my head. Got good for the pain. Cause the world is dangerous. Driven great men insane. Anchored itself with angel dust. Somewhere between love and lust, a nut get busted, a baby gets made. It seemed that trouble lust and follow us like all our days. In every holy book, it says we suffer, that's what it is. So little me this from the world before I do, we fight the years.
Ate all the pizza. Good night. Good morning. Today is the last day of the Philly meet. And yeah, we're gonna go out to this bando in Delaware, so that's gonna be sick. I feel great. Yay! Yay! Look at me, all fixed up. Sadly, my other one is very broken because of motors. Oh well, I got that. I got the fresh build and the Grinderino still to rip around, so that'll still be awesome. Fuck yeah! See ya on the road, yo. Yeah, it's a fucking beautiful day today. Hell yeah, it's gonna be great. What's up? Oh, you got sunburned.
Yeah, I did.
Dang.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, what's up?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
How you feeling, Volley?
Oh, okay. Great.
What's up?
Hey, man.
How's it going?
Hi, man.
Hi.
What's up?
What's up? Gonna bring it. What's up, bud?
What the fuck is Mountain Dew flaming hot? Yeah. It's still sick though.
No, we not
Free GoPro.
Check this little guy out here. This little plane guy.
Who cares about the plane with taking this?
Probably doesn't take off. Okay, it doesn't take off.
You gotta throw it.
Just throttle it the whole time. Yay! Okay, it doesn't fly. It does. Alright. That's how I was doing. I mean, it's stared directly into the sun. Maybe I should get out of the way of the drone. Into the wind. That's fine. Throttle it. I suck at flying the plane. There you go. Yo, welcome to the drone meetup with Yum. Nom, 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 nom. I think pizza is here. Pizza time. Pizza time.
Yeah, it gets old pretty quickly.
Grim and Bot are going to do a backwards race, and it's gonna be hilarious because Grim is gonna do really badly, and Bot is also gonna do really badly, and then they're gonna argue about it. Guaranteed. Grim won again. Wow. Fucking goo swamp.
listen to sinister tales. Why do you hold your head so low? Are you afraid of your mystical soul? Feel the metal and feel it deep. Out when the walls go to believe. When in doubt, what do? You know how to see it through. Never in your life will he forgive the wasting of your soul that he once gave. Oh no! If you do, but to be surprised if I told it to you. My looks are deceiving, I'm not what I seem. Oh, I got more power than you may believe. Oh, take it.
Well, that was a super sick end to the Philly road trip. Yeah, Philly part of the road trip. And then we're gonna go to Ohio and check some of that shit out, so that'll be cool. Yeah. I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Yo, we made it. Oh yeah. That took a little bit of time, but it's not a big deal. We'll see what happens next. Have a couple days here and then going home. Which I am pretty beat from this road trip, so kinda looking forward to that.
It's weird how it's like right after I hit that gap.
Yo, I'm back. Hey, what's up? So, Grim and I are gonna go, well obviously I've been at Grim's house for a while. We're gonna go rip some packs. We'll see. Either way, it should be cool. Maybe a nice little fucking battery. Fucking batteries beeping in the background. It'll be fun. Get some cool, get to see some cool stuff out here in Columbus. Woo, Columbus, Ohio. Oh, hi. Oh. Alright, yo, what's up? Grim was nice enough to bring me out to this spot I wanted to fly for a long time. Hell yeah. Should be sick. Well, that was fucking sick. It's time to go home now. Bye.
We can go to the lake, cool off
Finally home, y'all. Hell yeah. But yeah, anyways, thanks to everybody. It was really cool seeing everybody again. Hope to see you next time. See you at Castle Crash, which is actually here in South Carolina. Hell yeah, hometown, gang. Yeah, cool seeing everybody. Thanks to Grim for driving back to Philadelphia and John driving up to Philadelphia. Anyways, I have nothing else more to say. I'm tired. I'm going home. Bye.